you guess what is this? Look how big is this? It's been a very long time. The last time na nag-unboxing ako. Oh my God! I did this because it's my birthday gift. One of my birthday gift. So, ito siya. Parang, it's kind of weird. In this bag. So, okay. So, kararating ko lang galing work. So, I expected this to arrive today. Nadarating siya. So, anyway, ito natin. Do you guess what is this? Look how big is this? This is tablet. Yes, look how big the tablet is. Diba? Gito kalaki siya. My tablet's gonna be look like this. Yes, it's Samsung Tab 8. We bought it online because they don't have the color that I like. No, wala silang kulay na gusto ko. So, talaga nakaalis. This is something different, you know? Sometimes summer they do bubbles. This one is different. Oh my God. This kind of unique one. I'm gonna keep this. Oh my God, look at that.
Oh my God.
Ano ba yan?
Where is it?
Where is it? Ah! It is big. Oh my God, I'm gonna be... Woo!
You won't need to use your glasses on that one.
14 inches. Galaxy Tab 8. And you know the color. Yes, it's... I know pink. Rose gold. Oh, no, not rose gold.
We'll find out.
I'm gonna find this out. Hold on. Oh my God, come on. Pink gold. There you go.
Pink gold.
Yes, it's a pink gold. I love gold. So I love pink. So I get pink gold. Sana ba yung nice? Okay, so i-unbox na natin. It's Touch! Wow! Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
How many give we gonna have? It is one of the 10, right?
It's all 10.
Get 10, get rid of the 0, so 1.
Yeah. Here it comes.
Here it comes. Galing. Oh my God. So, meron siyang pen. So, how to do this? Oh my God. I don't know how to unwrap it. Yes. I think I need to buy what to call this? I need to buy a case. Yeah. I have to be careful.
Or
I don't want to
cover.
scratch this. Oh yeah, case cover. Yes, yes. So, bumili kasi ako, napabili ako sa kanya nito kasi ang litong tablet ko eh. So, at least to pag nagla-live. Wah!
Yeah, compare that to your other one.
Wait a minute. Where is the charger? Where is the ano? Oh my... Oh yeah. Oh, it scares me. So, ito ang kanya accessories. Nakita nyo ba? So, ayun yung accessories niya. Ano na about this? Oh. Pagbukas niya. Oh! It's no, just like that lang USB.
Yeah.
So, gano'n lang siya ano ngayon. Oh my God! Look how big is this! Ah! Happy birthday to me! I'm so loving it. O, diba? Magpe-pen-pen pa ka. Well, so here it is. Ay! Nalaglag. So, I think I need to buy ano. So, meron siyang pen. So, hindi ko pa siya mabubuksan. So, i-charge ko pa siya. And ito yung kanyang camera. So, yan yung camera niya. So, the whole thing is screen. So, ayun. Ito siya. And then, ito yung kanyang charger. So, USB yung kanyang charger. So, dito siya. And Samsung, kasi my phone is Samsung. So, I don't wanna have problem with yung magkaroon ng problema sa mga picture. Alam mo na yun, di ba? Ayoko na maraming So, anyway, so ito na siya. So, pag magla-live na ako, gawa ko ng video. So, ito yung gagamitin ko. Kaso na, ang laki-laki naman nito. This is so big. And ito yung camera niya, oh. It is camera niya. Camera niya sa back. Ito yung on and off. Oh my God. So, i-charge ko muna siya. Hindi ko muna mapapakita sa inyo. So, on my next video. So, there you go. Thank you for joining me in my unboxing. My gift. This is, how much did you pay for this, honey?
Like 7,000.
Yeah, right.
700.
I think,
700 something.
700 something. Like $800.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, there you go. Discover Samsung event March 20, blah, 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 blah. So, ito na siya. Ay, oh my God! Super laki nito! Ano ka magiging tsura nito? So, I will update you in my next video. But, bye! Samsung Tab 8. Happy me. Thank you for watching. Happy birthday to me. Please, like, follow, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Konti na lang, ma-reach ko na yung 1K subscriber. Please subscribe. Please. My birthday's coming. Pa-birthday nyo na sa akin. Tawag nyo ng buong yung mga kabarangay, kaibigan, magulang, tatay, nanay, kapatid. Okay? Please. So, I need like almost 834 now subscribers. So, 170 plus na lang, 166. So, please, 166 people subscribe to my channel. I need 1K subscriber. Thank you very much. Love, love, love. At meron akong giveaway pag may nangyari na makakuha ko ng 1K subscriber sa aking darating na kaarawan, April 13. I'll see you. I will live here in YouTube channel. Thank you! Okay, kaunting kalaman lang. Yung pen niya, di ba? Yan, dumitikit dito. Oh. Lalang! So, ito na. Mag-start na. Tina-charge ko na siya. So,
turn on accessibility mode, continue holding the screen with 2 fingers until you hear a beep.
yun na daw. So, later ulit. So, here it is. Ang laki niya, oh. Copy app and data. O, di ba nga? Okay. Don't copy. Ito lang ayaw ko eh. Pag bago yung gadgets mo, lahat ng mga email, password, oh my God. Mabuti na ko rito ng 48 years. All set up. Finish. Oh, diba? Ang laki-laki niya. Oh my God. Dadanglod ko na si Facebook. Oh my God. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Andito ka sa Facebook ko. Tingnan niyo naman yan. Ang laki-laki. Oh my God. Super sa laki. Ang laki-laki. Ang laki-laki. O, di ba nga? Oh, well. Oh, ayan, oh. I love it, though. Why? Oh, ayan na. Andito ako, ha. Oh, ayan, oh. Kita. Diyos ko, lahat. Pati utak, tutuli at kulang. Tayo ko mag-live dito. Thank you for watching. I swear.